So the first question is window is an option A operating system, option B application software, option C system software, option D none of these. So the correct answer is operating system. Window is an operating system because operating system uh, is the only key who run the computer. Now we will go to the second question. MS Word is in an application software, B system software, C operating system, D none of this. So the correct answer is a system software, B. MS Word is an system software. Now the question number 3. Java is a option A operating system, option B high level language, C low level language, D none of these. So the correct answer is option B high level language because Java is a language which used to program, used to write the program. It is a language. Now we will go to the question number 4. The set of instruction is called A software, B programs, C both A and B, D none of this. So the correct answer is the B programs. Set of instruction mean निर्देशों का समूह क्या कहते हैं? निर्देशों के समूह को प्रोग्राम कहते हैं. Now the question number 5. Linux is a option A programming language, option B system software, option C operating system, option D none of these. So Linux is also a operating system. The correct answer is a C. Linux is a basically hard operating system. It is difficult to learn and use. As compared to Linux, Windows is easily learned and used. So now we are going to true and false question answers. So the first is changes in the hardware can be accomplished by programmers. So this statement is false because changes in hardware cannot be accomplished by the programmers. हार्डवेयर में कोई परिवर्तन प्रोग्रामर द्वारा नहीं किया जा सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर लिखा है कि हार्डवेयर में परिवर्तन प्रोग्रामर द्वारा किया जा सकता है, तो ये कथन पूरी तरह गलत है. The second statement is the system software is designed to control and coordinate the computer hardware. That is a true because system software डिज़ाइन किया जाता है कंप्यूटर के हार्डवेयर और उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए. Now the third statement is an operating system is a group of programs. That is a true. एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में कई सारे प्रोग्रामों का ग्रुप होता है. Statement number 4. MS Windows has a command line interface that appears difficult to learn and use. So this statement is false because MS Windows is a very easily to learn and use. Linux is a difficult to learn and use. So this statement is false. Now we will go to fifth statement. The machine language is composed by binary digits 0 and 1 only. So this statement is true because computer only learn the binary language which means 0 and 1 only. Now we will go to the fill in the blanks. So the first is dash is an operating system. So the correct answer is a Windows is an operating system. You can use also the Linux at the place of the window because both the answer are correct. Now the second question. The software programs are written in. So the correct answer is the software program are written in programming language. किसी भी सॉफ्टवेयर में कोई भी प्रोग्राम उसकी लैंग्वेज में, उसकी भाषा में लिखा जाता है जो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कहलाती है. द थर्ड इज सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन इज कॉल्ड डैश. तो द आंसर इज द सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन इज कॉल्ड प्रोग्राम. निर्देशों का समूह प्रोग्राम कहलाता है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक नंबर 4. डैश रिप्रेजेंट द सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम दैट गवर्न द ऑपरेशन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. तो द करेंट आंसर इज सॉफ्टवेयर. सॉफ्टवेयर रिप्रेजेंट द सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम दैट गवर्न द ऑपरेशन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. इट मीन्स सॉफ्टवेयर जो होता है प्रोग्राम का समूह होता है जो कंप्यूटर को रन चलाने में सहायता करता है. नाउ द फिफ्थ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इज and dash is a program which act as an interface. So the correct answer is an operating system is a program which act as an interface. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वो प्रोग्राम होता है जो कंप्यूटर के इंटरफेस में वर्क करता है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.